Hello. Nomad Sculpt Quick Shots Part 26. I sculpt quick such a tiny bridge. Okay, I do only the basic parts, the basic steps to do this. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app. Okay, let's create a new scene, yes, and delete the sphere. Outline is on, perspective is off, wireframe is on. Okay, fine. We need in the front view, we need a box. I scale it down and okay, let's make a small bridge. No. 0, okay. And division set 1. Okay. Let's create it like this. Okay. We can validate this one. Okay. Now go to the symmetry, switch on show plane, and switch on Gizmo edit. With the Gizmo edit, you can now bring this part, you see the planes, and you bring it next to the plane. We use the blue plane. We turn on the set plane, and now we mirror from the right to the left. Yes. Now we can turn off the Gizmo edit, and we can turn on the left side symmetry. And now we can adjust how wide the two parts. Okay, let's go a step back, but it's okay so far. Good. Let's go to the front view. We have first to bend this object, and then we mirror it. In this view, we scale it a little bit down. Front view, we use the drag function, and this is a drag brush. Everything is the normal drag brush. We scale the object very small, or so small like this, and we use a big brush. And the intensity you can adjust here a little bit. And now we have to pick the object in the middle and bring it upwards. I do it again. Like this. I wonder why the symmetry does not work. Because we changed the symmetry, to X. And now when we use the drag brush, we got the symmetry tool, and now it's exactly exact bending. I think this is okay. Okay. Now we have this thing. Okay, let's go to the symmetry. Sorry, Gizmo. move your object to the center and use the symmetry tool, show plane, gizmo edit, and bring it a little bit here. Now you can turn off gizmo edit and mirror it from the right to the left. It's not a problem. We have to change the plane. Mirror right, left. Okay, show plane is off, and we can use the symmetry to adjust it. Okay. Top view, and turn off the symmetry. Now we need another object. We need a box again. We scale it. Let's go a little bit nearer. Oops. Check the view. Okay. I go to the front view and bring it above okay, we can change the division, and we go to the make it a little bit smaller, and we need in the Y 3, 2, 1, 6. Okay. In this view, we can adjust it, the set, and now align the line. You can align here the parts. I add here. Now you have a center point. Okay. You can validate this object, and you can adjust now at the left side the pivot. Bring the pivot here. And the pivot here. And now check off the pivot. Now we have an insert point. You can bring this object outside. And now you use the insert function on the right side. Turn off the symmetry. No, you can leave the symmetry on. I think it's symmetry is on. Clone, check it. Yes, symmetry is okay. Let's go back. And now you can place the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the transform tool, make sure that you only have selected move. Okay. Okay, the division was not correct. But there's no problem. You can adjust it. Sorry. Go to the transform tool, and now you can pick the parts and adjust it a little bit. You can also do a little bit irregularity or something to let it look not so copied or okay. Now we're ready. We can now select all the parts and simple merge it, and we can also merge this. Oh, sorry. I hide this and I simple merge this, and I give it a color. Paint all. And now you can use the subdivision before or after or in a step between. When you subdivide the object, it looks a little bit more like this, or you keep the flat subdivision and subdivide it and turn it then off and subdivide it. Okay, and now you can also sculpt the what's the Bretter? Naja, that's it. Turn off the outline. Perspective. A nice tiny bridge. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.